commercial models that are available, OpenAI is one, can't be deployed in certain geographies. For instance, in China, OpenAI cannot be deployed. The word mature is a good one to use here because it's come a very long way, even in a very short span of time. So a couple years ago, whenever it was just Llama or Llama 2 as open source, just to name a few models, they weren't even close to their enterprise companions or their commercial companions. Now that gap is much more close. And usually the rapid innovation cycles and the fact that open source has multiple individuals with different mindsets and ideas contributing leads them to be much more diverse or much more specific in a focus. That doesn't mean that they are in every way equal to their commercial counterparts, but that does mean they enjoy many advantages. One of those is the fact that a lot of commercial models that are available, OpenAI is one, can't be deployed in certain geographies. For instance, in China, OpenAI cannot be deployed. However, there are models that have been approved to be used in China that are a great way for enterprises to empower their employees that might be in one of those geographies. Another way is these models can be static. That is a very unique advantage that they have over commercial models. So even though we get the major releases of bigger models like OpenAI's models or any of these from Gemini, what happens is that those models are also being updated behind the scenes. So in critical applications, specifically for manufacturing, healthcare, legal, you might not want that model to change over time. You might want the model itself to be static so that you can rely on it. So any tests or evaluations that you might have done are preserved in time and are always reliable. So those types of things you definitely get out of open source. Best advice to be had is to just try it. A lot of these models are available through enterprise providers, so it's not to say that you need to buy a server, a big GPU rack. You can simply try these out in some of the commercial platforms in the cloud.